What's up my brothers, today in this video I'm going to do something really cool. In this video I will be make the most smallest gaming PC ever.
What?
Yeah, and it's Pewdiepie edition by the way. So let's do this. First we have to design the case for the PC. For that I'm going to use thinkercade.com.
346 minutes later.
Okay, the designing is finished and let's print this out on my 3D printer.
"24 hours later."
Okay, the print is done and it took 18 hours to complete. So now we have to sand it and spray paint it for the better look. So let's do this.
Always me. Ooh, like I'm Balotelli, telly. Yeah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, tryna call you telly. Yeah. People act like they know me.
The paint is done, so let it dry and let's print the side and front panel of the case.
Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli, telly. Yeah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, tryna call you telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up after 9, we can pour out the wine.
So now we have pretty much all parts of the case, so let's fix them together. But before that, let's clean the desk. That's easy.
Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli, telly. Yeah, why always me? Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli? Tryna get up on myself and nobody gon' help me. No, yeah, I don't wanna be alone no more.
For the side glass panel, I'm going to use clear acrylic sheet.
You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just tryna get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli, telly. Yeah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli.
Okay, the case looks very nice, so let's head to the electronics work. For the motherboard, I'm going to use lattepanda Alpha because this is the most powerful single board computer in the world.
Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli.
I'm also using a 250GB SSD for the extra storage.
Like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, tryna call you telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up after 9, we can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind. Yeah, I don't really mind, and I don't have the time. Every day I go out. Every day
The board installation is done and now we have to make a USB hub, which will extend the USB connection from here to back side of the case.
Why always me? Ooh,
For making it, we need a blank PCB board 3 USB cable and 3 USB connectors. Now we have to make from it something like this.
Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli, trying to get up on myself?
So let's fix it into our PC.
No, yeah, I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo dorm. You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just trying to get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me?
Now it's time to install the RGB lighting into the PC. So let's do this.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmines with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Little worry, send it up and then advantage. Yeah, I can't stand it at all.
The PC is almost complete, so let's fix the side panels.
No defense, still strong, no weakness.
Dub it.
I also make a 3D printed monitor for it, and I use 10.1 inches IPS display. So let's power it up and let's check how it works.
Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, tryna call you Telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up at night, we can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind, yeah, I don't really mind. And I don't have the time. Every day I go out, every day a new route that you know nothing about, nah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli, trying to get up on myself and nobody gon' help me? No, yeah. I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo dorm. You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just trying to get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Why don't you see? Ooh, tryna call you telly. Yeah.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please give a like to this video. It will be very appreciated. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling.